Hi all, Happy New Year. Sorry I'm not in today. Hopefully in tomorrow. No more later today. There's two videos I want you to watch. Okay, one goes through kind of comparing properties of a gas. All right, so we measure the pressure, the volume, and the temperature. All right, and what happens if you change one. And the other one goes over what's called the combined gas law. Sorry about that. Combined gas law, which is on your reference table on table T. And it's a calculation we can do based off of the comparison of pressure, volume, and temperature for a sample of a gas if you don't let any gas in or out. So the number of molecules of gas stays the same. You just change either pressure volume or pressure temperature or volume temperature or just one. All right, so you'll see on your reference table T, it's P1 V1 over T1. Okay, so those are the initial pressure, volume, and temperature for a gas has to equal then P2, V2, and T2. Okay, and those are the final conditions for the gas. When using this formula, all right, temperature has to be in Kelvin, just like the ideal one that we used with moles. Pressure or volume now don't have to be in anything specifically, they just have to be in the same. So pressure could be in kilopascals or atmospheres, but both P1 and P2 have to have the same unit. Okay, so both atmospheres are both kilopascals. All right, and so when you look through the problems, all right, it will tell you the pressure, volume, and temperature of a sample and talk about how it changes. Okay, if something is constant, meaning if it doesn't change, okay, you can ignore variable, meaning just eliminate it from the equation. So for instance, if it tells you something is at a constant pressure, okay, just don't plug anything in for that, all right, for P1 or P2, because that number would be the same, so it would cancel out. Okay, so a sample problem could be something like a 5-liter sample of a gas
What are you doing?
at 200 Kelvin is heated to 400 Kelvin. If the pressure is constant, what is new volume? Okay, and so this is P1 V1 over T1 equals P2 V2 over T2. Okay, so pressure is constant, so we can just ignore that variable. Okay, volume, it doesn't matter the unit now, so that's 5 liters over the original temperature, it says is 200 equals, we want to know the new volume, okay, over the new temperature is 400.
What?
All right. And
What
then we
is
solve
that?
for x, cross multiplying, that's Rowan. Okay, and so now x equals, okay,
How can you cut on your
10
computer?
liters. All right, so there's some practice problems. There's another demo video. Okay, do your best, and we'll go over it when I come back in, of course. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed your break. Okay, hopefully see you soon.